Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Karekar. I would like to welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 18. Today's rubric is abrupt. What is meant by abrupt? Abrupt is a sudden breaking off, or it is a sudden and unexpected, often in unpleasant way or without any pre-warning. An abrupt change in talk, action, and movement. So this patient, as soon as they enter into the clinic, starts talking about their complaints immediately with an unkind manner, or when there is a conversation is going on, they tend to give sudden response which seems to be little rude. This is meant by abrupt. Then we will see the Hindi meaning. हिंदी मीनिंग इज एकाएक, अचानक, अकस्मात. देन मराठी मीनिंग आकस्मिक आणि अनपेक्षित. दिस इज मराठी मीनिंग. नाउ विल सी द रेमेडीज. द रेमेडीज आर पल्सटिला, calcarea, natramur, platina and tarantula. So these are the remedies. Now we'll see the cross references for abrupt. The first cross references is answers abruptly, curtly. What is my answer? Answer means to say, write something as a reaction to someone or something. What is my curtly? Curtly means रुखाई से, and shortly means थोड़ी देर से. So this is answers abruptly, curtly. Then answers hastily. Hastily means excessive speedy or urgency or hurriedly. Then answers snappishly. Snappishly means sharp and irritable manner. Then next cross reference is hurt. Hurt means if the patient has tendency to hurt the feeling of other people. Is the feeling come under mental and emotional sphere, so he has an urge to cause emotional pains to others. The next cross reference, hurry. Hurry means move or act with a great haste, or to move or do things more quickly than normal, or to make someone to do this. Do something more quickly, undue haste or urgency. So these are the different meanings of hurry. Then irritability. Irritability questioned again. Irritability means easily annoyed, feeling of something disagreeable to one's mind, abnormal or excessive excitability of an organ or a part of the body, a state in which the person is easily annoyed but less intense than anger. This is irritability. Then impatience. Impatience means lack of patience. Any delay is intolerable. A person's behavior who is always on a state of hurry and restless, and any delay is intolerable. Over eagerness, inability to wait or expect with calmness and without discontent. This is impatience. Then next cross reference is impetuous. What is meant by impetuous? Impetuous is a sudden inaction, emotion and energy. Person who does the things suddenly and impulsive manner without any thoughts of the consequences. When a patient does everything with a prior thinking without bothering of its results in a totally unplanned way, he is impetuous. He acts so quickly and suddenly without thinking or being careful. He does everything in haste and hurry. Impetuous is more to do with his inability to control his own emotional energy to an appropriate level. So this is impetuous. Then next we will see the impolite. Impolite means not polite, having no respect for others. Then next cross reference is impulsive. Impulsive is an impelling force, or it is a quick and sudden spontaneous urge to do something, a sudden strong and unreflective urge or desire to act. If you act on a sudden feeling of thoughts, you are following an impulse, impelled to do anything without consideration whether it is worth doing it at that moment. This is impulsive. The next cross reference, quick to act. Quick means it is a rapid, a great coordination of ideas and actions in the mind of a person. They act so fast without thinking. This rubric is concerned with some activity. Some peoples are slow, some are fast. So these are the fast and quick. This is uh, quick to act. Then next cross reference is rashness. Rashness means it is a quality of acting hastily and incautiously, or undue haste, characterized by an apparently willful regards to possible danger. This is rashness. Then rudeness. Rudeness means roughness, bad manners, general habitual deficiency in manner characterized by a rough or violent behavior. This is rudeness. Then next cross reference is snappish. Snappish means peevish, who speak or behaves sharply or abruptly, utter sharp words very often, hurting the opposite person's emotion without either knowingly or unknowingly. This is snappish. Then next cross reference is speech abrupt. Then next, that is talking, talks abrupt. Talks means that is the act of communicating or exchanging ideas, information, etc. by speaking. So these are all the cross references for the abrupt. Now we'll see the miasm of abrupt. Miasm is syphilis miasm. Then we'll see the psychiatric condition or disease condition of abrupt. First is adjustment disorder, second is neurosis, third is conductive development personality, and last is schizophrenia. So this is all about the abrupt in short. So friend, if you like, please subscribe my channel. We will meet in a next episode with new channel, new rubric. Till then, take care, be safe, and thank you.